Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So cleaning up your watch list helps keep your queue organized and focused on what you actually want to watch. So first thing first, open Prime Video. So launch Prime Video, make sure you are signed in, okay? Because watch list is profile specific. Go to your watch list, like navigate to my stuff or watch list, view all saved titles. This is your personal list, so let's see my stuff or watch list. Okay, so you have here options. As you can see, we have help, watch anywhere. Okay, so TV shows, movies, so you have to find the watch list. So this is my stuff. Okay, so as you can see here, we have watch list. Your watch list is currently empty, so you have to have at least one movie or content to be there. Okay, so for example, let's get this into the watch list. Okay, so as you can see here, let's now see. So as you can see, here is it. Okay, now it is in the watch list. So this is your personal list. Select the title, find the movie or show you want to remove, for example like this, and the title is instantly removed after you just click this. Okay, so you may also see a check mark icon to toggle off, as I did, so you just do it and that's it. What happens after removing? Title disappears from your watch list. It syncs across all devices. You can re-add it anytime. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.